All right, so let's look at Clover. Clover right now is currently down a lot from its all-time high. If we go out to the weekly chart, we'll start there. It's down a lot from its all-time high. The all-time high was $2.20, and I think before it was on Coinbase, it was like closer to $20, if I'm not mistaken. But Clover right now, even if the all-time high was $2.20, you're down like 90+%, 95% from that. The last time I looked at this, it looks like Clover was around 30 cents, so it's fallen another 66% or so from that. So let me go to the daily chart. And it looks like the last daily candle close is where I use the bottom of the wick, is where I will do the fibs from. And the last daily candle close that you had was around 8.8 cents or about that. So if we go back to the weekly time frame and we do this on a big time frame, so you have resistance up here at 46 cents. That's a long ways away. You also are going to have some support right there at 31 cents or 30 cents. And you have the 236 fib, which would be the first fib to the upside on the huge time frames like the daily chart and weekly chart. Would be at 50 cents pretty much, and then resistance at 65 cents. To the downside, if you keep going down, so you can't go to negative 34 cents, so that's not realistic. We'll have to zoom in on a smaller time frame to see where the next stop would be. We'll say that this was the last local high up here at like almost 18 cents. And then the current local low, if I zoom in a lot, would be that wick right there. I will use a wicks on the smaller time frames. So the 236, when you chart it on the smaller time frames, would be 10.5 cents. So that's the first level you have to get about to be bullish. If you want to be really bullish and say that the bottom is probably in, you'd have to beat like 14.4 cents to be safe and get a daily candle close above that. Next thing I want to look at is the RSI. RSI on the daily chart is way overbought. The 4-hour chart is neutral. That has more room to go up, but Bitcoin's about to dump, which I do think it will be. I think Bitcoin's about to dump, so then that means this will help probably fall further. A 1-hour chart's topped out. That means you're probably going to 15-minute chart is also overbought. Let's go to the 1-hour chart though. 1-hour chart is completely overbought, but I highly doubt you made a beat a previous high. The previous local high on the smaller time frames on the 1-hour chart was 11 cents. If you don't get back anywhere, if you don't hit 11 cents or get above it, then that means you made a lower high. And that would mean that there's more downside incoming. And pretty much, I would say if you don't get above 11 cents, you're going to see a new low below 8.8 cents. Clover is still in a downtrend until it's not. And if you just look at the daily chart and you're trying to invest in it, I wouldn't start investing into it until it beats 11 cents. And even then, I would just be saying, I don't think you should go all in at 11 cents because if Bitcoin goes to 10K like I think it will, then this will probably, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this goes to less than 5 cents. Probably will go lower than that, honestly. So Clover right now, still not a buy. That's all I got. If you guys enjoy this, appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next update. If you guys have any requests for other videos, let me know and I will do them. I will see you guys in the next one.